Okay, so we're gonna go after the keyword, or AKA your niche. So what you need to do is you need to figure out what niche you want to be in. So of course, the niche that we're in is affiliate marketing. Okay, that is the niche that we're in. But just remember, this type of method, if you want to say, or strategy, is geared towards just about anything. So don't just think that you have to be in affiliate marketing. Okay, it can be um, weight loss, health and wellness. It can be forex. It can be whatever you want it to be. Only thing that you need to have is the root keyword. Okay, and you want to build from there. Okay, and I show you exactly what I mean. Okay, so let me come up here. Let me switch that around really quick. All right, so the main keyword that I'm going to go after, and you can do this too, you can actually copy me. I don't care if you copy me or not. Okay, but the whole idea is for you to get the gist of it and for you to follow exactly what I'm doing. And if you apply, if you take applied action, then you'll understand where I'm coming from, okay? Because that way you know, okay? So let me go ahead and just go after the keyword that we are in. So affiliate marketing, okay? So as you can see, this is the root keyword, affiliate marketing. And this gets 40,500 monthly searches. This keyword right here, affiliate marketing, okay? This is really heavy. Competition 0.55. And if you want this type of where you can see this stuff at right here, like you see the search volume and stuff like that, and the cost per click, you want to go to this thing right here. It says keywords everywhere. And now I'll go ahead and show you keywords everywhere. Okay, so you can actually go here, and it's an extension from Google Chrome. Okay, I don't know if you can add it anywhere else, but it's a really neat tool, because I can actually export these keywords or whatever anytime I want. Okay, and then it makes my research really easy. Okay, so let's get back to this. So this is the root keyword. Okay, and see how I highlighted that and more keywords came out. Okay, so you basically want to take all these keywords because these are related to your main root keyword. Okay, you want to take these and you want to put these on a notepad. Okay, like I did. Let me show you what I did. So let me come right here and let me grab the notepad. And this is it right here. Okay, let's see. Okay, so right here, so Google related keywords. Okay. Affiliate marketing for beginners, how to start affiliate marketing. And I'm going to go after these keywords because this is the niche that I'm going after, okay? Because that's the niche that we're in, okay? For long-term leverage. All right, so the next thing that you want to do is come to YouTube, and you want to put in affiliate marketing, okay? And you see as I'm typing it out, and I misspelled that, okay? So you don't know how to learn how to spell when you're doing affiliate marketing, okay? Or anything online. So as you can see right here, when I start typing on affiliate marketing, it started giving me other recommended searches. Okay, and this is powerful. Okay, this is what you want to take, and so that's what I did on the notepad right here. Is that I end up taking those keywords right here. So YouTube related keywords. I got a section right here: affiliate marketing tutorial, affiliate marketing step by step, affiliate marketing without a website, affiliate marketing 2019. Okay, so you can take these keywords if you want. Just follow me along. That way you get the gist of it. I don't care if you copy me or whatever. It's going to just help you rank. Okay, so that is it for this video, and I will see you on the next one. Okay, all right.